got your microphone, Sophia?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, no yelling, please. There's Lily.
Huh?
Can you say hi, Lily? Don't chase her away. What's with the yelling, Sophia? You scared her. You scared poor Lily away. Oh, Alex, she'll probably come back. My little monkeys. Where'd you go? I lost you both. It's not a hat, Sophia. It's a seat. It's a booster seat. You can stick your babies on it. Oh, there Alex is sitting in it. That's right. That's right. It's a seat to sit in. He usually sits at the table, though, huh? Oh, the dinosaur is sitting in it?
What's that?
Yeah, the baby can sit in it, Alex. Nice. Aww. Is it Sophia's turn to sit in it? Oh, she put all her stuff in it. You guys are pretty cute. That's right, Alex. The baby's going for a walk. How nice of you. All right, let Alex take the baby for a walk.
Walk.
All right, Alex taking a break from the walk. It's hard work. Oh my. Some high-pitched screaming there, Missy. Wow. It's slippery. Aw, you guys are so cute. Too much sun, I think, in there.